Some say it's a reference to the tall trees you have to climb to get to the coconuts. You need the agility of a squirrel and the determination of a cat chasing a laser pointer. Others believe it's because the drink's color looks like white fluffy clouds, like Mother Nature herself whispering, "Here, have a sip of my morning coffee." The delightful concoction known as sky juice or gully wash among the locals has its origins in the Bahamas and is often credited to Goldie's conch house. However, they intentionally keep the origin open-ended. Sky juice dates back to the early 20th century, and during Prohibition, despite rum being abundant in the Bahamas, I mean, it was being bootlegged out of there like 90, gin became the preferred choice for sky juice for several reasons. Cultural influence, with gin being a popular spirit during British rule. Availability, flavor, and variety, providing an alternative to rum-based cocktails and catering to different preferences. And let's not forget that gin could be made from almost anything. Bathtub gin, anyone? And as far as the mixers used back then, they didn't have easy access to canned juices or sodas, so they used indigenous tropical fruit juices like coconut water. There are a couple different approaches to making sky juice. Often you'll see it mixed in an old plastic milk jug that's being passed around, or a coconut hacked open with a machete and used as the glass for this liquid legend. I don't have a machete handy. You got one, Aaron?
In my other pants.
Okay. So today I'm just gonna make a single serving in my shaker. There are a few variations that exist too. Some add extra sugar, coconut chunks, or pineapple wedges. Cinnamon can replace the nutmeg, and of course white rum can substitute for gin. But it's not gonna be the same. And here's the secret sauce: electrolytes. All those coconut water electrolytes keep you hydrated. It's like a hangover cure built right into the drink. Genius, right? Okay, let's make some sky juice and see what this thing tastes like. So I got a beef. You know, I'm always, telling everyone to always use fresh. Fresh is best, right? Not in this case. I bought this coconut yesterday and it was fine. Today I wake up and it's starting to rot. I mean, there's even flies on it, you know. But the smell, it smells like freaking mold. Smell this, Aaron.
No.
Come on.
No.
Smell it.
I'm not smelling your moldy coconut.
Shit, he's no fun.
Bad enough I drink cheese.
Cheese,
with
yes,
you.
yes, the cheese. It's just for you.
No,
it's made with love, Betty. Come on.
no.
Come on, buddy.
I don't want
yeah, come
your
on.
cheese drink.
Okay, have my
I don't
cheese.
want your
Have
cheese
my
drink.
cheese drink.
I don't want
come
your
on.
cheese drink.
Come on.
I
Have
don't
my
want your
cheese.
cheese
Yes,
drink.
yes. Anyway, in lieu of this rotting coconut, which I'm not going to use, I am going to use canned. Didn't want to do that.
Canned?
Yeah, canned coconut. Canned coconut water.
We've hit the apocalypse, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes. Oh, I got all kinds of it in my storeroom.
Oh, for the apocalypse.
For the apocalypse. Of course I do. It's a hydration, man. Okay, I'm going with 4 ounces. I may even go more, depending on how that all plays out. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is grab some gin. What kind of gin should we use? I don't know.
The clear stuff.
The clear stuff. Anyway, all right, I bought this new one because, well, the LCBO here, that's our liquor store here in Ontario, has gone on strike. And I bought a bottle here just before they, decided to lock us out. So, Brockman's gin. I might as well try some, eh? I have no idea. They say it's really, really smooth. Well, it smells like gin. And lots of botanicals there. Ooh. Quite citrusy, actually. It's nice. Okay. Should we use this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Am I gonna say no?
Well, I don't know. I'm just, I got other gins here too. But we're gonna go with 2 ounces of gin in our mixing glass. And of course, I think the gin you choose to use will alter the flavor profile slightly, But really, it's all about the coconut, right? And our next ingredient, sweetened condensed milk. Weird, I know. This stuff is so thick. Thick. I guess this is our sweetener. And what we want is 1 ounce. Wow, that's thick shit, man. 1 ounce. Oh, baby. Looks like a cloudy day to me. Okay, all we're gonna do now is fill up our glass with some ice, pop a lid on and shake it. Or actually, don't shake it like a rotten coconut. Be careful what you always purchase. Okay, there's the thumbs
Way to go,
up.
Bruce.
I'm good to go. Shake it good. Shake it like you mean it. The sky's the limit, baby. Fluffy cloud. All right. Now you could use any kind of tall glass you've got. I just grabbed one out of my freezer. The hurricane style glass. I love this glass. We're gonna fill it full of some fresh ice. Just small ice cubes, okay? Just some small chipped ice, cracked ice. That looks pretty good. And we're just gonna strain this out into our glass. Oh yeah. White fluffy cloud. Baby. And we're gonna garnish. We're gonna garnish with some fresh nutmeg over top. That looks pretty darn good. Now the nutmeg is our garnish, but if you wanted to get fancy, you could put a little, give it some height. A couple little pineapple prawns there. And why not an umbrella? I mean, you're on vacation in the Bahamas, right? Yeah. Beauty. All right, let's see what this thing tastes like. Sky juice. Well, first off, you really don't need the prawns. But they're, they're complimentary of the coconut, right? There's no pineapple in it, but yeah, it just gives it a little height and, makes it look extra special. The umbrella is a must. Anyway, here, actually, let me get rid of all of this. And I want to incorporate the nutmeg. Why not? And then add a little bit more on top. Not much. I'm getting nutmeg. Of course I am. Wow. I am pleasantly surprised. Pleasantly surprised at how delicious this is. I didn't think it was gonna pan out to anything much, but I don't mind this at all, you know? There's a real blend. I mean, I didn't even taste the gin. What does that tell you? Be careful. Yeah, this totally works, man. I like it. I like it a lot. You know, you should add this to your summer drink list because it really is very light. It's like sweet coconut water is what it is. Yeah, totally works for me. It's creamy, it's light, it's airy. Add this to your summer cocktail repertoire. Yeah, you know, you can't get to the Bahamas, make the Bahamas come to you. It's good, man. You got a machete, Aaron?
It's in my other coat.
Because I don't have one, man. Can you go get it?
1 second. Yes, I'll just go get my machete. I've got like 10 of them hanging around.
That's like for road rage, right? Yeah. Jump out of your car with a freaking machete and a coconut.
Colors. Yeah, and a coconut.
Hey, you want some coconut juice?
I have a license to carry, but it's only to cut coconuts.
I'm cuckoo for coconuts. Sky juice coconuts, that is. And, that's pretty damn good. You want to hit the sky button and check out these other sky recipes.
Sky recipes?
I have no idea what that means.
Just check out these other tropical cocktails. Thanks for watching.
Hit the little bell and make some sky juice. Get all juiced up on sky juice.